Let's learn from Q to T today. This is how you write an uppercase Q, and this is how you write a lowercase q. Q is for queen, quilt, question, and quill. Next is the letter R. This is how you write an uppercase R, and this is how you write a lowercase r. R is for rhino, robot, rock, and rectangle. Next is the letter S. This is how you write an uppercase S, and this is how you write a lowercase s. S is for socks, snake, shoes, and shark. Now let's do the letter T. This is how you write an uppercase T, and this is how you write a lowercase t. T is for turtle, tiger, triangle, and tree. Now it's time for a short quiz. Which of these letters is T? If you circled this one, you are correct. Which one of these letters is S? If you said this one, you are correct. Which one of these pictures start with Q? If you said quail, you are correct. Which one of these pictures start with S? If you said snake, you are correct. Thank you for watching Easy Breezy Learning. Tune in next time when we finish our ABCs.